What's up, guys? Bailey again, back with Bavarian Autoclinic. Today we're working on a 2009 BMW 535i X. We are doing a bunch of stuff today. We have rear struts, fuel level sensor. What else do we have? Fuel pump, new brake lines in the back, just a whole bunch of stuff we're taking care of today. Alright guys, we're at the rear of the car right now. We are kind of dismantling all the interior parts to get to the top bolts for the rear struts or the rear shock absorbers. So we kind of have it in pieces right now. We're not quite there yet. We've got a few more panels to take out here, and then when we get access to those, we'll check back in when we can start actually wrenching on them. Alright, so underneath the vehicle now, we just got the top bolts exposed in the trunk, so we're going to be taking care of the lower part here. So I'm going to support this control arm while I undo this bolt here, and then we'll go back up top to fully remove this guy. We're at the halfway point. We have passenger side strut in. Honestly, the most difficult part about this job is the interior trim. Just getting all these pieces out. Strut replacement is pretty straightforward. Nothing really like weird or different about these ones. It's just that interior trim takes a while to get out. That's all. We're up underneath the vehicle now. We got both rear struts in, both brand new. Everything is torqued. Make sure you want to get these ones at ride height. So we have these two torqued down here, and then the two top bolts are torqued as well. Now we just got to get the interior trim put back together and then move on to the next thing we're working on. So we just got finished up the other day with the BMW 335xi, and we finished up with the rear struts, the rear brake lines. We got the rear interior all put back together. That was a real pain. And then I moved on to the fuel pump and fuel sending units, which are right here. These are also kind of a pain to get out because they're on each side of the back seat. You can see I had a little trouble with the fuel pump when it was coming out. The plastic decided to disintegrate. And then you got to feed these hoses all the way through the tank over the transmission hump. It's not very fun, but that's done. We got everything tightened up, bolted down, torqued down. Everything's all good to go there. Finished up with a quick oil service and safety inspection on it as well, and that customer's back on the road and enjoying their vehicle again. Mine. My mother?
Yo's.
No, not my mama.
Yo's.
No, we ain't talking about my mama.